Hey guys, it's me, ZuriFilms. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and also like this video if you enjoy it. Also, on a side note, sorry if I haven't been posting in a while. I was very busy, but now I can post some more videos. And now let's just get right into the video. Also, I am going to be having this like cool new background. I want to start filming here a bit more so I can change the display, and I also have this side so that I have more space to show you guys what I am doing. But today we are going to be making DIY mystery bags. So I actually learned how to make these mystery bags off of TikTok. So this is the username of the person that originally did these bags. I don't know where they got it from, but they're the person that I learned it from, so you should definitely go follow them if you do have TikTok. Okay, so on to the materials that you will need. The first thing that you need is some scrapbooking paper or any type of paper in general. I am using this pink color because it goes with my theme, which is going to be a spa theme. You will need tape. I'm just using some clear tape, but you can use any type. Next thing you will need is some markers, color pencils, or anything to decorate your mystery bag. Last thing you will need is scissors, but that is completely optional. It all depends on if you are cutting anything. The first thing you want to do is fold and cut your paper so that is the perfect size. So I didn't really want to put this in the material section just because technically you don't need these to actually make the mystery bag, but you do need stuff to put inside the mystery bag. So I'm actually not going to show you guys what I put in because you have to wait to the end of the video to, like, I guess, see me unbox the mystery bag. So the next thing that you want to do is take your biggest item in your mystery bag and kind of size it up to the size of your mystery bag to make sure that it fits. Once you know that everything fits, you want to put tape along the edges. You want to put it along this edge and along the bottom edge. After you've taped the sides, you want to start doing the decorations so you can put like titles and everything like that. So I first did my title in pencil, and now I'm going to go over it and ink it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it ended up looking like, and then I also added this like pink outline. And now for this empty space, this is also optional. I mean, the title and everything is optional, it just makes it look better, but this part you really don't have to do, but I like to put like little doodles at the bottom, kind of like based on my theme. Another thing that people do is they put colors coordinating with the rarity of the objects. So maybe light pink is common and hot pink is legendary, and they then draw some of the objects that are in the bag on the front and then color code it with their rarity. So I finished all the doodles, so I just drew some like stuff that you might think of when you think of kind of like spa stuff. And now I am going to add, like, this is also optional, but this is what I saw. You add like a little dotted line where you're supposed to cut off of, so I'm going to add that now. So I added my little dotted line, and then on the back you can continue the line, but you don't have to, but I like to write like a little message on the back, and so yeah, I'm gonna add that now. So I put a heart and stay calm and relaxed, and then I also took this slip of paper and put legendary, and we're gonna put this on the inside of the bag. So I added everything into the mystery bag, and then I'm just going to put the little legendary slip thing in here, and then you just want to tape this closed. And I also saw a video where they put like cotton stuff in here, but you really don't have to do that. I'll show you guys, like, this is what the whole thing looks like. Now I'm gonna be opening up this mystery bag and showing you guys what I put inside. So we have a spa mystery bag. It has a bunch of stuff on here. We might get some of those in the actual bag. This is the back, and it says stay calm and relaxed. So we are now going to open this thing up. So let's cut along the dotted line. Okay, that was kind kind of messy, but okay. So we have a little slip of paper that came out, and it says legendary, so we're gonna get some good stuff in here. So let's take out all this cotton, and the first thing that we have is this pink Sephora pearl face mask. So that looks so cool. So yeah, let's put that to the side. The second thing we have is this lip gloss. I think everything's kind of pink in here. We have a little hairband, because you always need that. Ooh, a little hair clip. That's cool. This is a lot of stuff that we're getting. Okay, we have this, this hand lotion. Let's see. Oh, and it's a pink color. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's actually like a pinkish color. It's really light though, but that's cool. Pink hand lotion. Then we have this, this mini perfume. This is Pin Rose Optimism. That's cool. That's also pink. It's a pink stuff in here. And then, we have this nail polish from Essie. So this is also pink. This is very pink themed. And that is it, guys. So that was all that was in this mystery bag. All the stuff that we got all this. And then, last but not least, the nail polish. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this like scrap paper, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and maybe you guys can make a little video with your mystery bag. But I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. So yeah, bye.